So just a super quick look at XRP then. As we can see in our hourly time frame in the local area, still very much in a range, as you can see, chopping sideways and not doing too much here. Right now just waiting for Bitcoin to head to the upside, sitting at around 52 cents, Bitcoin sitting at around 70k, leading the market off of its lows, as we can see here. But XRP very much still just in a range in this local area at support, waiting for a catalyst in the market to send altcoins to the upside. I do think Bitcoin's probably going to be heading to new all-time highs over the next few weeks and at the very most months, I would say, in my opinion. And because of that, we are looking at XRP probably going to be coming up towards that next previous area of resistance up here around 61 cents for a retest. As you can see on the charts, it's quite clear to me that we've basically just been, been in a bit of a downtrend like this, but we've broken out of it now, back test, and we'll probably start to move back up towards the top of the apex of this coiling motion we've been seeing over the past bull run or so. Right now we're just waiting for XRP to follow the market to the upside.